Our standard toolbox is great for everyday tasks, but sometimes we stumble upon projects that require something a little more extraordinary. Today, we're diving into the realm of game-changing tools you never knew you needed. These tools are game changers for homeowners, handymen, and anyone who loves to get their hands dirty. So we're counting down the top 5 tools you never knew you needed but will wonder how you ever lived without. Let's dive right in. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Forget about hunching over and straining your back while driving large structural screws. The timber drive is a revolutionary tool designed for stand-up operation, making tough jobs on decks, docks, boardwalks, piers, and flooring a breeze. The timber drive's ergonomic design prioritizes comfort and efficiency. Unlike traditional methods that require bending or kneeling, you can work comfortably from a standing position, reducing fatigue on your knees, back, and shoulders. This versatility makes it ideal for heavy-duty jobs like building decks, docks, boardwalks, piers, and flooring, as well as fastening metal straps to wood, engineered wood, or even mass timber panels. The tool's compatibility with corded or cordless motors, equipped with quick drive adapters, further streamlines the process, while the adjustable countersink depth with expanded settings for high-density flooring materials ensures precise screw placement for every project. The Simpson Strong Tie Timber Drive is a powerful and user-friendly tool that promotes comfort, efficiency, and precision when working with large structural screws on various construction projects. The Sea-Snake Inspection Camera System, particularly the 25mm diameter models, is a powerful tool for navigating tight spaces and getting a clear view of what's going on underground. The 25mm diameter allows the Sea-Snake to reach into narrow pipes that larger cameras can't access. Sea-Snake, with high dynamic range (HDR), delivers crisp details, even in challenging lighting conditions within pipes. Rugged, high-intensity LEDs ensure exceptional visibility throughout the inspection, and they're built to last. Self-leveling technology keeps the camera image upright for easier interpretation. The powerful FlexMeter Sonda provides long-range tracking capability, and TiltSense displays the camera's angle for detailed in-pipe analysis. It offers exceptional visibility, durability, and tracking capabilities, making it an essential tool for professionals working in plumbing, construction, and other fields requiring a clear view of underground infrastructure. The Zircon Multiscanner L550 One-Step is a multifunctional stud finder designed to be your one-stop shop for locating hidden objects behind walls, floors, and ceilings. The L550 is a multi-material detection powerhouse, finding the center, edges, and direction of wood and metal studs, locating live AC electrical wiring for safety, wire warning, detecting metal objects in concrete, and even offering a thermal scan mode to detect temperature variations behind walls. Additionally, target control technology narrows your scan zone for improved accuracy, and deep scan technology lets you locate studs even in walls up to 1.25 inches thick. With its versatility and comprehensive detection capabilities, the Zircon Multiscanner L550 empowers you to tackle DIY and professional projects with confidence, knowing exactly what's behind the surface before you drill, cut, or hang anything. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for safety, fuel efficiency, and overall tire life. The Craftsman Digital Tire Gauge is a user-friendly tool that empowers you to take control of your car's tire health quickly and easily. The IT provides a quick and easy way to ensure your tires are properly inflated. With its backlit display and lighted nozzle, you can get reliable pressure readings, 0 to 100 psi in seconds, even in low light conditions. The easy-to-read digital display eliminates any confusion with traditional gauges. The Craftsman Digital Tire Gauge is lightweight and compact, allowing for easy storage in your glove compartment or toolbox. The FLIR C2 Acoustic Imaging Camera isn't your ordinary inspection tool. It's a revolution in proactive maintenance, helping you identify and address hidden problems before they escalate into costly downtime or safety hazards. The FLIR C2 is a powerful tool for electricians and inspectors, offering all-in-one detection, location, classification, and assessment of partial discharge (PD) faults, invisible electrical issues within high-voltage equipment. This on-device analysis provides instant insights into the type and severity of the PD, along with recommended actions to address them, saving time and ensuring electrical safety. It also acts as an early warning system for bearings, helping you identify mechanical faults like bearing wear and misalignment early on to prevent costly repairs and unplanned downtime. Furthermore, the FLIR C2 helps pinpoint and quantify leaks of compressed air and industrial gases, calculating the leakage rate and estimated cost to prioritize repairs and calculate the potential savings. With its intuitive interface and lightweight design, the FLIR C2 is user-friendly and requires minimal training, maximizing efficiency on the job site. And there you have it, our top 5 tools you never knew you needed. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.